So now we're gonna play Fatal Frame. We're on the second drop. And as I said in my last one, if things like super heavy topics like suicide or mental health bother you, I would just click off of this game and just go watch my other ones. Especially now that we're getting to the part with this girl in particular. I would definitely just skip out on it if that kind of thing bothers you.
Excuse me.
Hello?
I'm looking for Hisoka Kurosawa. Is she here?
Oh, I'm sorry, but she stepped out.
My name is Fuyuhi Himino. I've been waiting for her to tell me if she could help me find someone. I still haven't got a reply from her.
You're looking for someone?
She might have gone to the mountain. Mount Hikami.
Mount Hikami.
Someone told me that they saw my friend there. It's an infamous suicide spot, isn't it? I don't know why Haruka would go to a place like that, and without even saying a word to me.
Don't worry. As soon as Hisoka gets back, I'll tell her.
No, that's fine. I can't wait any longer. I'll go look for her myself.
Huh? Come back!
Okay, and then you have to go upstairs. See, this gets really fun later on when there's like ghosts and stuff in the house. What is with the physics on this girl? I'm so sorry. That happens every single time I stop. Like, I don't usually like commenting on that kind of stuff but what the fuck is going on?
Hisoka. She must have gone to Mount Hikami to look for this girl. Mount Hikami. A place where many come to take their lives. I'm positive that Fuyuhi must have come here.
Oh, you don't have a camera obscura. I forgot that we get this after. Here we go. This is what I was waiting for. Oh, okay, it is gonna explain the wetness gauge now. So basically when you get in the water, the ghosts and shits, they'll spawn more often. But luckily they won't bother me until I get the camera obscura that Hisoka dropped. But trust, they will as soon as I get that fucking camera. As soon as I get that camera, I am cooked. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's Hisoka's camera obscura. Oh wait, no. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. because now I'm gonna start getting my ass beat by ghosts. Oh shit. Where are you at? Oh hey bud. Oh damn it, it didn't work. Okay. Nice. Even if it's shit, I don't care, I still got it. Wait, there's something for me to pick up here. Oh, it's her notes, okay. See? This fucking man is everywhere. Fucking... I'm me, Tony, to leave me the fuck alone. Oh my god, he is so ugly. I'm sorry. No! Let me... I hate that those are the same freaking button. Girl, no. I'm grabbing that fucking... Oh, son of a bitch! Here we go. Okay, and I gotta get my camera obscura ready because the kids are gonna be around here someplace. Oh, it's great. Just go right into the fucking... That's very nice, Fuyuhi, but I found an item.
Fuyuhi! Fuyuhi!
Haruka. She's here on the mountain.
Have you seen her?
No, but she's here. I have to find her.
I wonder. Why did the two of us survive? We made a promise that we'd all die together.
It's kind of gay. Actually, that's a lot of gay, but it's okay.
When will we get the chance to join the others?
Hey, I'll go and look for Haruka. Let's go back.
Oh, and then in this part, they all started beating on her instead of just me. Fuck! Oh my god. I did not expect that. I should have. Yeah, start beating on her instead of me. No! Let me touch that ghost.
I'm melting away.
I think she looks more disturbed at me touching the ghost than she looked at the fact that the ghosts were even there in the first place. Like, sorry, I'm trying to get as many points as possible because I'm gonna get, like, C rank.
Fuyuhi!
Nice. Okay, now I get the ghost kids. Because this is an important backstory thing, I think. If it's what I remember. Yeah, it is. This is an important backstory thing.
Be quiet, guys. I'm supposed to be dead.
Yeah, give me my points.
Fuyuhi!
Haruka. She's here.
Yeah, I know. See, that's gay too.
Fuyuhi, where are you? Close your eyes. In spring.
Oh, I'm just gonna warn you guys in advance about this scene. This is one of the scenes I'm talking about.
Fuyuhi.
Play with me forever. I know I'll remember you forever and ever.
Alright, now we gotta do the boss fight with her. I love how her dialogue, you can actually get like the implications of what actually was happening. And they'll see that in the fatal glance.
Haruka.
Fuyuhi. Fuyuhi.
Haruka.
Fuyuhi.
You've seen too much. You cannot leave the mountain. You will dissolve into nothing.
A rank. Oh my goodness. Okay. That one, I feel like I deserve more than the B rank in the last drop. So, okay, then I'm going to play the third drop in the next one. But thank you for watching.